All right, welcome to JavaScript Programming for Everyone. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, I want to spend just a couple of minutes talking about what you can expect going forward in this course. So JavaScript is just awesome. It's used for so much these days in the modern internet, and especially for front-end web development, it's just incredibly important. So we're going to start out learning basic computer programming concepts. So we're going to look at things like variables, math, numbers, if-then statements, conditional statements, comparison operators, basic things like loops and arrays, and just computer programming type things. And the things that you'll learn will translate to just about any programming language. You know, all programming languages have variables, they all have loops, they all have arrays, and we'll learn how to do those things with JavaScript. After that, we'll spend a little bit of time learning how to use JavaScript on a web page, how to change text, how to do pop-ups and things like that. And then at the end of the course, we're going to put it all together and make this fun little flashcard app. It doesn't look like much, but you're going to see it has a whole lot of stuff going on. So we can enter answers, we can do some basic error handling. Oh, hey, that's not even a number. We can refresh the screen, and you can see, you know, we're modifying stuff on a web page without refreshing the web page. Very JavaScripty type of thing, right? So that's pretty much how the course is going to go. It's going to be quick, just, you know, a couple hours. You're going to have a really good foundation of JavaScript, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So before we get started, I want to spend just a minute to show you a really good way to contact me if you have questions. You can obviously send me an email at udemy.com. You know, there's a message system in place there, but I find that it lags a little bit. So if you put a question in, it might be a few hours till I get that. I don't know why that is, but if you want a quicker answer, sometimes if you come to this contact page on my website, codemy.com, this is my membership website, and it has all my courses here, same courses that I teach at Udemy, but these are actually on this website. And so I spend a lot of my time helping members answering questions right here. So if you want to get in contact with me, this form is a really easy way to do that. This goes straight to my Gmail account, so it's not like this gets sent off to some corporate office or something. This goes straight to me. So it's a good way to get in contact with me. And while you're there, check it out. If you like my teaching stuff, you want to take some of my other courses, they're all listed here. These are all hosted on my codemy.com website. They're the same courses that I have at Udemy, but they're just on my personal website. And I tell you what, if you go to this enroll page here, total membership is $49. You've already bought something from me though. And you know, I don't like wringing money out of people, so I have to charge something just to cover bandwidth. But so if you click this sign up button and come over here, I'll make a deal with you. If you leave a good review for this course you're taking right now, I'll give you this coupon code. It's SUPERCODER, all one word. Click apply, it'll knock another $22. So for $27, you get all of my courses. You also get all my future courses every time I release a course, and I release a new course every couple of weeks or so. You get that free. This is not an ongoing charge. It's not a monthly charge. It's just a one-time fee, and you get all my courses. So we've got over 20,000 students, and it's just a lot of fun. We have a good time here, joking around and doing all kinds of coding stuff. So that's my Codemy website. It's a good way to get in contact with me. I realize I already gave you the coupon code, so if you don't leave a review, there's not a whole lot I can do. We'll just leave that to the honor system. But really, reviews make or break courses at udemy.com. Even just a couple of good reviews could really make a difference. Also, one last thing, if you prefer to take my courses on udemy.com, head over to my personal website, johnelder.org/udemy.php, or I think you could just type in Udemy, yeah, and it'll redirect. So this lists all the same courses, but you can take these courses at Udemy if you prefer that format or whatever. And what I've done here is I put coupon codes on all of these links. So if you click on it, I think you pay $12.99 for each one. Normally at Udemy, they're $194, $95, $200, something like that. You know how Udemy works. Everybody gives coupon codes and drops the price way down. So obviously not as good a deal as taking them at my website here. So whatever you prefer, if you're interested in that. I know it's a little bit early to be pushing my courses on you. You don't know if this course is going to be any good at all. So I'm a web developer. I'm not a good marketer. So it's sort of my lame attempt to get you to buy more stuff from me. But anyway, enough of that stuff. Let's dive right in and start learning some JavaScript. That's what you're here for. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. In the next video, we're going to look at the tools that we need for this course. We just basically need a text editor that we can type stuff in. And I give you a bunch of free options there if you don't have one already. So that'll be the next video.